Heavily out here lurking while I'm creeping. Cut off my angel wings, now I'm in pieces. Since the ghost don't know these hoes can't see me. These hoes can't see me. Away from my past, I race my demons. Heavily out here lurking while I'm creeping. Cut off my angel wings, now I'm in pieces. Since the ghost don't know these hoes can't see me. Hey, hold up, look at my life like what's the purpose? Thought when I made some mess that the shit would've turned out perfect. When I still look in the mirror like fuck, I still feel worried. Remember way back.
Welcome back to the channel. Today is the day that I show you guys the new wheels.
One is on my wheel, like my name was Dwayne Collar. Fuck this bitch once, then she turned into a stalker. It's the dope dubs, I'm looking like a walker. Rolling with Mary Jane, like my name was Peter Parker. Suicide for life, Audi on my right. Haters never on my left, cause they never in my sight. Tony with the time, sloth on the slick. I understand the hate, cause I probably fucked your bitch. One, go, two,
So there's the new wheels there. A little cinematic for you. But they're ESM 002Rs. Specs are 17 by 10 plus 20. On the website it said plus 15. But once they got here, on the boxes and on the back of the wheels, it says plus 20. Which isn't a big deal. If you guys been following me on Instagram or friends with me on Facebook and know me personally, I've had a similar spec. And even if you've paid attention to my intro video, you've seen my car on similar wheels. Those were actually 17 by 10 JNC 004s. The only difference between these two, other than the name, is the hardware. These ESMs have the gold, hardware, and the JNCs had silver. And see, when I ran the JNCs, I had to shave my front caliper down a little bit. And I had to run like some 5mm slip-on spacers just so I can have clearance on my front calipers. So hopefully with these I can get by without using the spacers. I had to test fit and see. But if I have to run the spacers, it ain't no big deal. They're just 5mm slip-ons. You know, I ran them like that for a whole year with no issues. I even was brake checked and cut off on the highway and did a full 720 in the middle of Interstate 40. And thank God he was watching over me. I didn't crash, didn't DB, didn't lose a wheel at all. So I have no issues if I have to run spacers. I just don't want to run them. But so I'm gonna ceramic coat these, at least the lips and the faces for now. That way in the future, since these are white, it'll at least keep it clean longer. And once I get my tires there mounted on and get the wheels balanced and everything, I'll probably ceramic coat the barrel to keep that clean as well. So yeah, I'm gonna get to it. Alright, so the first thing you want to do, if you got brand new wheels like I did, you know they already clean. So just get you some rubbing alcohol and wipe them down. But if you bought them like second hand, like you bought them from somebody, then you would first wash them and then come back and wipe them down with some alcohol before you ceramic coat them. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock that out right quick, just to get all the dust and fingerprints and whatnot off of them.
Yeah. Bitch.
Oh my god, Ronnie.
I don't care about your mans. I don't give a fuck. With my wrist, I hit my dance. If you wanna hit a lick, you better have a fucking plan. Let my niggas with this shit, bitch. I ain't even playing. I don't care about your mans. I don't give a fuck. With my wrist, I hit my dance. If you wanna hit a lick, you better have a fucking plan. Let my niggas with this shit, bitch. I ain't even playing. Stop before we break through your forks, nigga. Chopper hit you, you gon' be a corpse, nigga.
Alright, so the ceramic coat that I'm using is it's from Armor King. It's the Armor Shield IX. This video isn't sponsored, but this is some good stuff. I've used it on my car last year and it's held up pretty well, so figured I'd use it on the wheels too.
Run that shit like you in a sport, nigga. These bitches say you Trojan, all sorts, nigga. Cautious, watch where you walking. I got powers, but no, I'm not awesome. I got hoes, no, I need options. If it ain't big bills, then bitch, stop talking. I don't care about your mans. I don't give a fuck. With my wrist, I hit my dance. If you wanna hit a lick, you better have a fucking plan. Let my niggas with the shit, bitch.
Alright, so once you get your ceramic coat put on, you wait a couple minutes, about 5 to 10 I believe, depending on the weather and how warm it is. I know if you see like if you start to see it looking cloudy or anything like that, this was the first wheel that I done, which I went ahead and done all 4. So this one should be like cured and ready to polish up, which if you look closely at it, you can see like a little rainbow effect that tells you that the ceramic coat is good and ready to be wiped off. So just take the microfiber and go to work.
I don't care about your mans. I don't give a fuck. With my wrist, I hit my dance. If you wanna hit a lick, you better have a fucking plan. Let my niggas with the shit, bitch. I ain't even playing.
I just hit a lick for like 20 bricks. Sip, codeine with Sprite, that's a good bitch.
Alright guys, so here's the finished product. So whenever you finish ceramic coating, whatever it is, whether it's the wheels or your whole car, you cannot you cannot get your car or whatever you ceramic coated wet for at least 2 days. That way everything gets fully cured. Otherwise, if you get it wet, it's gonna leave like this white milky looking residue behind, and you'll have to redo it again. But yeah, that's pretty much gonna conclude this video. Need to figure out when I'm gonna get tires put on, see who's open during this whole stay at home order crap. So stay tuned for the next video. Hopefully it's gonna be soon, that way you guys can see the wheels on the car. And I still need to dial in the fitment with the coils and see how much camber I need to add to the front to get these to fit, as well as I still need to readjust my rear camber arm. So trying to make my TC a hot boy again. So yeah, appreciate you guys tuning in. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Be easy.
She don't want a game bang. When I want a game change, swing, same thing.
Yeah, I don't care about your mess. I don't give a fuck.